Hello, Toady. I will show you how to use Bunq app. So let's get started. Go to the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Bunq. Tap Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app, tap Get Started. Enter your email address and phone number. Confirm your phone number using the verification code. Set a secure PIN for login. Upload your ID or passport for verification. Choose a plan: Easy Bank, Easy Money, or Easy Green. Bunq will open a fully functioning IBAN bank account for you. You'll get a virtual debit card instantly. You can also order a physical debit card if you want. Tap on your account balance. Select Add Money. Choose from these options. To send money, tap Payments, Send. Enter the amount and recipient's IBAN or Bunq username. Confirm the payment using your PIN. To receive money, share your IBAN number or create a Bunq.me payment link and send it to others. And that's it. Thanks for watching.